There we go. Now that we are moving, y'all, on the last couple cars here, can wave goodbye to our depot masters. That would be Matt and Michael. They're up here in the middle of the depot on the left-hand side. Tell Matt and Michael both that we'll see them in about a day or two. A week at the most. We have never been gone longer than a week, though. Bye, Michael. Bye, Matt. Now, here at Dollywood, we're known as the friendliest place in the Smokies. It's up to us on the train to keep it that way. So as we roll out of town on the count of three, let's get these folks.
Hey, big guys, dance around. A Frosty the Snowman was as alive as he could be.
Now, folks, we are awful proud of our engine, Cinderella. She works real hard every day pulling lots of people up this mountain pack. We're proud of her so much we like to let her show off every now and again. So how about it, everybody? Would y'all like to hear the engineer play a tune on that Central of Georgia Crosby 3-chime whistle? All right, then, on the count of three, let's all tell the engineer to blow that whistle. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Blow the whistle!